Thank you member. Pasang high quality punya power boot for the x70 proton. Okay, here got the original button. Okay, so really close, guys. Very fucking smooth 嘅開門前面嘅原裝掣開俾佢哋睇，揸住機。Okay, here got one original button. You see, you can see the one original button there. So 你去撳嗰個 original button, hold 住嚇，係咪 hold 住啊 ？Okay, when you press, it's open. It's very smooth.跟住你撳閂啦。OK， 到 remote control 係咪？幫kunci boleh pinjam?
Macam ni. Tekan hold 3 second.
Okay, you hold and then buka. Hold, tutup. Very cantik. Thank you.